Key features of our Smart AI Chatbot Instant Discovery: chat to explore products, personalized picks, suggestions based on preferences, price filter, find products within budget order history, view past orders instantly, 24/7 support, always available for help, fast and interactive, quick, engaging responses, category coverage, support across all categories. This is understanding video of PrestaShop ChatBot Module. So here we are proceeding further to first install the module at PrestaShop Store. To install the module on the store, first you have to click on Upload a Module button. So this is a button where you have to click. You will have a pop-up like this. You have to click on Select File, where when you will click, it will redirect you to the local. To choose the module file, and when the complete installation is done, you will have a configure button on your screen, so you have to click on it. Once you will click, you will be redirected to the general setting page of the module where you will find the module in the disabled state. Since firstly, you have installed the module, so this is how the module backend looks like, and as soon as the module is enabled, so you will be having a configuration, and this is the configuration page, and in the side menu, you will find the two tabs. First is the general setting. Next is the customization. On the customization, you will find a customization fields, which allows you to change the color of the chat of the result tab of the response type of the background color text color. And also, you can change the chatbot logo. By default, we have given an image also. If you wanted to add any another, that should be from the PNG JPG only. So you have to click on Add Files, which will allow you to redirect on the locals to select the file and upload it here. So proceeding further on the general setting. On the general setting first, you have Enable the Chatbot. This button allows you to disable the module on the front end. So if you have enabled it, the module will be activated on the front end, but it will not be shown on work until you have not shared the OpenAI AI key. So you have to configure the OpenAI API key. For the same, we have given the steps to configure it on your own account. You can follow the steps mentioned below the page, and you can configure the OpenAI API key once you have entered the correct, and you have to save so that the configuration would be saved, and you will find a setting updated message that shows that the module is being configured completely. Go on the front end. This is a chatbot. You have to give your response here, and you will give it here, and you have to enter it so that you will get the response. Just give the response, like, give me the product mapped with the clothes category. So it will show you the product mapped with the clothes category. If you have entered the wrong prompt, then it will not show the result, and it will show that the requested prompt does not exist. So you have to enter the correct prompt. Since if you have last, we have art category, and we have search for the same. So give me the product mapped with the art category. So it has shown the 7 products, which are listed in the same. Here, we have also given the view product that will redirect you to the product page of the respective products. When you will click on it, you will be redirected to the product page, and you can proceed further to place the order of the same. So for the same, you can also check for the price. Give me the product that lies between the range of $10 to $50 US. The currency which is currently working on your store. You have to search for the same. As you can see, we have found the products that lies between the 10 to 50 USD price. Also, you can search for the last order date. So I have given the give me the last order details. So it will give us the order details that was being last ordered from the store from the user. So as you can see, we have given the prompt, give me the last order details, and it has shown the order details that was being last ordered with the order reference order status and the total. The same you can do with the last product ordered. It will give you the product details that was being last ordered from the store from the logged in user. This is how the Knowband PrestaShop ChatBot Module works on the PrestaShop Store. Thank you.